Are you tired of seeing more hair in your brush than on your head? Struggling with bald spots, thinning, or hair that just won't grow? Imagine reversing all of that, naturally and affordably, with a simple kitchen remedy. This scientifically backed treatment using fermented onion juice and rosemary oil could help you stop hair loss and regrow your hair, starting in just 3 to 4 weeks. Let's dive into the ultimate natural solution for hair growth that tackles the root causes. Literally. Why this works. The science behind the magic. What makes this remedy so powerful? It starts with one underrated ingredient: the organic red onion. Red onions are packed with quercetin, a natural flavonoid that fights inflammation and autoimmune attacks on hair follicles. Quercetin not only prevents follicle damage, but it also stimulates regrowth by boosting the production of hair growth hormones. And let's not forget sulfur. Onions are one of nature's richest sources of sulfur, the same mineral your body needs to produce keratin, the protein that forms strong, thick, healthy hair. To amplify these benefits, we're adding rosemary oil, a clinically proven hair growth stimulant, and using fermentation to unlock even more nutrients. Together, this combo creates an environment on your scalp that promotes healing, blood flow, and follicle activation. Onion juice results backed by science. In a 2002 clinical trial, patients who applied onion juice to bald patches twice a week saw 86.9% regrowth within 6 weeks. That's compared to only 13% regrowth in those who used water alone. These weren't just random improvements. This was real, measurable hair growth. Add our upgraded steps, and you're likely to experience even better results. The basic recipe. Let's get into the simple recipe that kickstarts this hair revival. You'll need 1 organic red onion blender cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer small container or squeeze bottle shower cap, optional. Step 1. Make the juice peel and chop your red onion. Blend into a slurry and strain through cheesecloth, collecting the juice in a clean container. Step 2. Apply in the shower. Wet your hair. Massage the juice into your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 1 hour. Step 3. Rinse and shampoo. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo twice to eliminate odor. Condition as usual. Use twice weekly for 6 to 8 weeks. You should begin to see visible regrowth by week 3 or 4. Supercharge it. Enhancement. 1. Rosemary oil infusion. Now, let's take it up a notch. Add 5 to 7 drops of rosemary essential oil to your onion juice before applying. In a 2015 randomized clinical trial, rosemary oil performed just as well as minoxidil, the main ingredient in Rogaine. It reduces inflammation, increases circulation, and stimulates new hair growth. It also smells better than onion alone. Supercharge it. Enhancement 2. Fermented onion elixir. Fermentation is a powerful step to unlock even more bioavailable nutrients. It also reduces odor and brings the juice's pH closer to your scalp's natural level, around pH 5, promoting healing. To ferment, blend and strain 1 red onion as before. Pour juice into a mason jar. Add 8 ounces of filtered water, 1 teaspoon sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon raw honey. Stir, cover with cheesecloth or coffee filter, and let it sit at room temperature for 72 hours. Stir daily. You'll see bubbles by day 2. That's the good bacteria at work. After 3 days, strain and refrigerate. Use as you would the basic recipe. Shelf life. Up to 2 weeks in the fridge. Internal support for hair growth. Topical treatments are powerful, but your hair also needs support from within. Vitamin D3. Deficiency is linked to hair loss. Aim for 10,000 to 15,000 IU daily, or get 20 to 30 minutes of sun each day. Zinc, found in oysters and pumpkin seeds, essential for follicle health. Iron, especially important for women. Eat spinach, red meat, or take a supplement if you're low. Biotin and protein. Hair is made of keratin, which comes from protein. Eggs, lentils, and nuts are key. Also, avoid harsh shampoos with sulfates or silicones that strip and coat your scalp. Use natural, sulfate-free cleansers to allow follicles to breathe and grow. A few pro tips. Always shake your juice before each use. Use a clean applicator every time to avoid contamination. Take a before and after photo to track your progress. You'll be amazed. Consistency is the secret. Most people give up too early. Stick with this routine twice a week for at least 6 weeks. You'll likely see thicker, shinier, more resilient hair, and a major confidence boost. This remedy is powerful, natural, and affordable. Whether you're dealing with stress-related shedding, hormonal hair loss, or even early signs of alopecia, it gives your hair and scalp the tools they need to recover and thrive. Try it for yourself and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more science-based natural remedies, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Your hair transformation starts now.